Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology, and in this video we will cover one very good transit, that is the transit of Jupiter from the Shravan Nakshatra to the Dhanishta Nakshatra starting 5th March 2021 till 22nd May 2021. So on 5th March 2021, Jupiter transits from the Shravan Nakshatra, which was ruled by Saturn, to the Dhanishta Nakshatra, which is ruled by Mangal. So in this video, we will analyze the impact of this transit in general. Om Shri Ramaya Namaha. So before we proceed further, let us first understand what exactly is Jupiter or Guru. So Jupiter or Guru is one of the largest planets among the Navagrahas, and he represents divinity, spirituality, wisdom, higher learning, enthusiasm, optimism, and pilgrimages. Jupiter is also known as Brihaspati, and Brihaspati is said to be the Dev Guru, that is the Guru of Devas or the gods. Now, if you have a strong Jupiter in your natal horoscope, then even if the other planets are bad, Jupiter always helps you to overcome the problems given by other planets. If Jupiter is weak, generally a person tends to suffer from bad luck. He will mostly be obese, and good fortune will not come to him easily. The person may suffer from problems such as liver disease, swellings, tuberculosis, etc. because Jupiter also represents the liver in the human body. Jupiter represents the fat in the human body. So when Jupiter is afflicted in the horoscope, generally a person suffers from liver problems and obesity. Also, when Jupiter is afflicted in the horoscope, a person generally tends to get wrong kind of gurus, wrong kind of teachers who misdirect him from the right path. So it is very important that Jupiter should be very strong in our horoscope. If Jupiter is not strong, then we must do the necessary remedies to strengthen Jupiter. Jupiter's Mahadasha is for 16 years. Okay, and if Jupiter is well placed, then during his Mahadasha or Antardasha, Jupiter gives a lot of good fortune to the native. Such natives generally get easily promoted in their jobs, and good luck automatically follows such natives. Such is the grace of the divine Jupiter or Guru Brihaspati. Now, currently in transit, Jupiter was in the Shravan Nakshatra. Okay, so you can see Jupiter in this chart marked by the letters JU, and he is present in the Shravan Nakshatra inside Makar Rashi or the sign of Capricorn. The Nakshatra of Shravan is ruled by the moon, and along with Jupiter, Saturn was also placed in the Shravan Nakshatra. Now, Saturn represents restriction. Okay, he represents hurdles, he represents obstacles, he represents hard work. So, even if Jupiter represents expansion and optimism, Saturn was so far placing certain limitations on Jupiter by virtue of his own placement in the nakshatra of Shravan along with Jupiter. So, now on 5th March 2021, at around 3:58 am, Jupiter is going to move from the Shravan Nakshatra into the next Nakshatra, that is the Dhanishta Nakshatra. So you can see two blue lines in this chart. The portion between these two blue lines is nothing but the Dhanishta Nakshatra. Now, while Shravan Nakshatra is ruled by the moon, Dhanishta Nakshatra is ruled by Mars or Mangal. Okay, and Jupiter is now going to enter into the Dhanishta Nakshatra. What is the meaning of Dhanishta? Dhanishta means one who is complete in all respects. Okay, it does not just mean one who is wealthy. In the olden times, lot of importance was given to good qualities, good virtues, and a person having good virtues and good qualities was said to be complete in all respects, and wealth automatically followed such a person. So, this is the true meaning of Dhanishta. The Dhanishta Nakshatra is ruled by the Graha Mangal, and the deity of this nakshatra are the 8 Vasus, who again represent auspiciousness and prosperity. So now Jupiter is moving out of the nakshatra in which Saturn is present right now. That is, he is moving out of the Shravan nakshatra and entering into the Dhanishta nakshatra. The Dhanishta nakshatra spills across 2 rashis. The portion from 23 degrees 20 minutes in the sign of Capricorn to 30 degrees lies in the Capricorn sign. That is, this portion of the Dhanishta nakshatra lies in the Capricorn sign, and thereon from 0 degrees to around 6 degree 40 minutes in the sign of Aquarius also comes the Dhanishta nakshatra. So the Dhanishta nakshatra is almost 50% in the sign of Capricorn, and the remaining 50% is in the sign of Aquarius or Kumbh. Now Jupiter is going to stay in the Dhanishta nakshatra from 5th March 2021 till around 21st May 2021, and on 22nd May 2021 he will move into the next nakshatra, that is Shatabisha, and after some time he will retrograde, that is move backwards, and again re-enter the Dhanishta nakshatra around 20th July 2021. But in this video we are only going to explore Jupiter's transit into the Dhanishta nakshatra for the first portion, that is from 5th March till around 22nd May 2021. Now the Dhanishta nakshatra is represented by a drum, that is a damru or the flute of Lord Krishna. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? One thing is, people with Dhanishta nakshatra, they like to blow their own trumpet. Okay, that is, they like to exemplify the good deeds that they do. They like to gain publicity on basis of these things. Okay, and these people are generally very wealthy. The second symbol is that of a flute. So a flute is something which mesmerizes you. The music that comes from the flute mesmerizes you. The music coming from Krishna's flute is so sweet that all the gopis, all the animals used to get mesmerized. So when you come across a person born in the Dhanishta nakshatra, generally you are mesmerized by his qualities. These people have great patience, okay, and even the most difficult situations you will find them to be absolutely calm. It is just like a person is surrounded by crocodiles and he is still playing a flute and not bothered at all, but in reality he takes the necessary action to bypass that danger, but he does not show tension on his face. So now Jupiter is entering into the Dhanishta nakshatra, which is ruled by Mangal or Mars. Okay, and therefore Jupiter will now amplify the qualities of Mars in a good way. Now where is Mars placed? Mars is placed right now in the sign of Vrushab along with Rahu. So you can see 2 planets, Ra and Ma. Ra represents Rahu, Ma represents Mars. Now whenever Mars is with Rahu, it forms something called as Angarak Yuga, okay, which indicates extremely violent tendencies. Okay, it amplifies the qualities of Mars in a wrong direction. So Rahu may misguide Mars to do a wrong thing, okay, in a fit of anger or in a fit of rage. However, now what is happening is Jupiter is entering into Mars's nakshatra, and therefore Jupiter is also aspecting Mars in the sign of Taurus. So if you see, Mars is right now 5th sign away from Jupiter. Okay, So Jupiter's aspect falls on Mars and Rahu. Okay, and therefore any damage which could be done by Rahu is greatly curtailed because of Jupiter's aspect on Mars and Rahu. Now you may think that Jupiter is debilitated in the sign of Capricorn. Okay, but even if Jupiter is debilitated, his aspect on Mars and Rahu provides great protection. Jupiter here gives great benefits to one in his profession, especially if your nakshatra is Dhanishta itself. Then Jupiter will give you great prosperity in your career or in your profession. Okay, you can see that some portion of the Dhanishta nakshatra also lies in the sign of Aquarius or Kumbh. Okay, and Jupiter is going to enter into Aquarius around 6th April 2021. So he will first enter into the Dhanishta nakshatra. Okay, and Aquarius is the sign of our aspirations, our hopes, our desires, our friend circle, and our network. So Jupiter amplifies all of these in a good manner. That is, he gives you expansion, he gives you optimism to find new growth opportunities. Okay, to find new friend circle, to enhance your existing friend circle. So Jupiter gives you all-round prosperity when he is in the Dhanishta nakshatra. Since Capricorn or Makar is the natural 10th house in the zodiac belt, okay, and the 10th house represents the government, it represents our career, it represents our job. Okay, when Jupiter moves into the Dhanishta nakshatra, it makes you complete in all respects. That is, it will give you great growth opportunities at your work. If you have been suffering a lot in your workplace, either due to some kind of stress, a bad boss, or any other such situation, Jupiter will provide you with great relief when he moves into the Dhanishta nakshatra. If your Janma Rashi is Kumbha Rashi or Makar Rashi, then this transit is very good for you, because Jupiter provides you with new opportunities to make wealth, to enhance your career. But it comes with certain caveats, because Makar Rashi is still the sign of Shani. Okay, and Shani is present in Makar Rashi right now. Although Shani is situated in the Shravan nakshatra while Jupiter is moving into the Dhanishta nakshatra. Okay, Jupiter will still face some restrictions. Okay, that is, the expansion which Jupiter gives comes with certain caveats that are imposed by Saturn, and one of those caveats is hard work. Okay, because the 10th house, which is ruled by Saturn, that represents structure, order, discipline, and hard work. So what this means is Jupiter will give you the necessary opportunities, but you must be willing to put in the necessary hard work to make the best of these opportunities that come your way. And if you do that, you will definitely succeed in whatever you do. So friends, this is my analysis of Jupiter's transit into the Dhanishta nakshatra starting 5th March 2021. So it is a good time to fulfill all your aspirations, to put in the necessary hard work, because Jupiter now gives you the necessary optimism, enthusiasm, and right direction to achieve your goals. So friends, make the best of this transit. If you like this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. If you have not subscribed to my channel, Kamath Astrology, please do so by clicking the subscribe button, and you will be notified whenever we add a new video. For any queries, for any consultation, please email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com, and we'll be glad to assist you. To know more about us, visit our website astroseva.tripod.com. So friends, thanks a lot. We'll see you soon shortly with another video. Till then, bye. Stay safe. Take care.